everybody, welcome back. So let's get into our product line here, specifically our uplights. So we have our 6 watt, 10 watt, and 14 watt, both in brass and aluminum.
Yeah, now you'll hear us refer to them as 3, 4, and 5 inch as well, so we kind of intermix those. Powder coated aluminum and then brushed brass options. Both come with different stake options.
Yes.
So the brass comes with a standard 8-inch plastic stake, and the aluminum comes with these stainless steel spikes that screw into the bottom of the bracket and then get pushed into the ground. We've got different customers recommend or prefer different ones, so it's really a matter of preference and to some degree the ground that you're going in, to be honest with you.
Yeah, so with the brass fixtures, it is the standard 1/2-inch thread, so it'll screw in any tree mount or gutter mount or anything like that.
Any of your standard fixture
that we
mounts,
do not carry.
Yeah.
And with the aluminum, so Chris mentioned the stakes, you could also mount the bracket directly to a surface.
And that's done a lot, to be honest with you.
Yep.
You know, they're mounted to gutters a lot. We've got some people that mount them to the bottom of a wall, shining up, things like that. So they're very versatile in what the brackets that they come with. So the other thing that you'll notice is that the brass comes with a nut. That's so when you push the stake in the ground, you can adjust the angle of the light and then tighten it down onto the stake. So that's very handy. The aluminum lights can be used as downlights as well. So we have actually modified the design on those, so those can be used as downlights. The brass lights are uplight only. The downlights for the brass come with a longer shroud. So there's some differences on that, and then the ceiling is a bit different for the brass downlights. So based on if you want the longer shroud or something like that, that may make your decision on which way you go on brass or aluminum for your downlights.
Each of the fixtures are also shipped with the waterproof wire nuts too.
Yes.
So please be sure to use these. We've preached it before in other videos.
We spend a lot of money on
connections.
making these, so please use them. They are great. They're filled with dielectric grease. They are really nice connections. So I know some people prefer some other things. Do not use dry wire nuts. That is a must not do. So your wire will corrode in a point in time. It varies based on soil type and length and rain, but it will happen if you don't use some form of dielectric grease kind of connector.
Now, guys, these lights are bright. We can get color really high in the air, particularly with the 14 watt and the 10 watt even as well. The 6 watt lights, for the most part, fit most residential applications, especially on the house itself. Now, if you have taller trees, palm trees in the state of Florida or coastal regions, blast it with the 14 watt light, especially in commercial too. So you can really pack that punch with the larger fixtures.
Yeah, so any picture on the website of a residence, they're using the 6 watt lights. So all the resident pictures on the website use this. But once you get into the residences over standard 2-story, you're going to want to go up, and that's really about the limit of these lights is a standard 2-story. So we've been in some situations where it's like 2.5 because the basement comes up higher than the ground, and you're going to want to switch over to the 10 watt if that's the case. So anything above a standard 2-story, you're going to want to go to 10 watt.
So you can swap out the lenses in these fixtures. So just get with us. We do have lens kits available. It's 45-degree lenses that are shipped with the fixtures. But if you really need to tighten in that spread, to get color higher in the air or whatever it might be, we can provide that.
Now that, if you're watching this, depending on when you're watching it, that is a change that is in effect right now. So you may get some lights that have all the lenses in them, but we're finding that customers are actually calling us saying, I feel bad throwing these away. Can we send these back? So I think it'll be a better option for everybody.
So this is our 9 Series and 9 Series Pro lineup with our uplight fixtures. So as always, any questions, reach out to us. Yes, thanks for watching.